This class is designed for creating interactive buttons with various states on a price chart. It has been developed for a competition arranged by TheXpert. Thank you! A demonstration of the CBtn class methods create long charting int sub and string name int x int y int dx int die create a button with parameters. Window identifier subwindow number button name x coordinate y coordinate horizontal size vertical size resources string int up string int active string int and string int active string int outdizable string string mask define the images for different button states. Normal unpressed button hover by cursor press button hover by cursor disable button outline mask. SetUseMask in UniSmask int x0 int y0 set the mask by the color of the specified pixel. The mask is formed from the standard unpressed button image. Used mask type x coordinate y coordinate. SetUseMask in UniSmask mask int I color set the mask by color. The mask is formed from the normal unpressed button image. Used mask type color. Set corner in unbased corner set the corner of the chart, which the button is anchored to set anchor in anchor point anchor set the anchor type set x int x set the x coordinate set y int y set the y coordinate set x y int x int y single method for setting the x and y coordinates on both states set the button status true for pressed, false for unpressed enable both state enabled isable the button paint void draw the button event int id long l param double d param string sparam pass events to the button all parameters are duplicated from the on chart event function get x void get the x coordinate get y void get the y coordinate get enable void get the enabled isable status get unvoid get the pressed and pressed status get corner void get the corner of a chart which the button is anchored to get anchor void get the anchor type add text int x int y string font name in font size color text color string text add text to the button x coordinate y coordinate font name font size text color text string text update the button text doesn't work without add text or creating a button. By default a button has following parameters. Unpressed enabled anchor to upper left corner of the chart anchored by the upper left corner of the button. Setting the button mask by default, the button is created from the normal unpressed button image. Transparent pixels serve as a mask. Use mask and LM resource. The mask uses an image specified in resources. If the image is not set, the entire button area rectangle will be used as a working area. Use mask pixel XY. The mask uses the color of the specified pixel. If the pixel color doesn't match the specified color, it becomes the mask. If the coordinates are not set, then use 0, 0 coordinates. Use mask color specified color is used for the mask. If the pixel color doesn't match the specified color, it becomes the mask. The color should be set in ARP format. Example 3D buttons. .mq5 copyright 2015. Files. https://login.nql5.com resource fields property copyright 2015. Filed property links www.nql5.com resource property version 1.01 insert resources resource im2001.bmp resource im2002.bmp resource im2003.bmp resource im2004.bmp resource im2005.bmp resource im2006.bmp include class.mqh and unadjust. Upper left, upper right, lower left, lower right, input property input adjusted corner upper left, corner global variables CBtn int numbertons initialization function int on init long WND chart ID int sub and chart window on dropped array for EBTN int n0 numberton 0 for int y0 y3y for int x0 x3x array size btn n1 btn nu cbtn btn.create wnd sub and 3d button string math ran x 15210 y 15,210,200,200 btn.resources in 2001.bmp in 2002.bmp in 2003.bmp in 2004.bmp in 2005.bmp in 2006.bmp btn.text 8080 aerial 25 CLR white button string n1 switchage corner case upper left btn.set anchor left upper btn.set corner left upper break case upper right btn.set anchor right upper btn.set corner right upper break case lower left btn.set anchor left lower btn.set corner left lower break case lower right btn.set anchor right lower btn.set corner right lower break btn.paint n chart redraw numbertons array size btn return init succeeded initialization function void on init const int reason For int I0 num buttons I delete btni, array, free btn. Chart event function void on chart event const int id, const long param, const double d param, const string sparam. For int I0 num buttons I btni dot event id l param d param sparam. 12,637 best MetaTrader indicators profitable expert advisors. Best MetaTrader indicators profitable expert advisors.